guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video on this gorgeous look. I'm actually have to speed this up because I am needing to get out of the door right now. I have to be somewhere and I'm running a little late. So this video is going to be featuring the Sephora Pro Palette. Girl, do not ask me why I did not get this palette any sooner. It is so pigmented. I don't want to say this is like an unboxing video because I opened it. I got the package last night, and I opened it on camera and tried it out for the first time, saw it for the first time on camera. So this palette is so amazing. The shadows are like buttery soft. They blend amazing together. I did show the Violet Voss palette in the video, but I am going to return it because it is all shimmer. And I don't like shimmer palettes. I prefer matte and maybe like a couple of shimmers, but majority matte and colorful. So the palette is colorful. It is the rainbow palette, but it's all shimmer. There's not one freaking matte shadow in the palette. So it's going back. Then on camera, you're also going to see the Cover FX, the bronzer in the shade Sunset. Online, I ordered everything online. It was so much darker than what it is. It's so fair, so you'll see it in the video. The guys are outside mowing the lawn. Gia is right there sleeping, so I'm not trying to talk too loud, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you at the end. Bye. So I just want to show you guys me unboxing the Sephora Pro Palette. This is the Pro Pigment Palette by Sephora. On the back of the packaging, it shows you all the different names of the eyeshadows that have actual names. And then once you open it, it shows you all the different kind of looks you can do with this palette. There's many different options, but I was going to go with the high contrast one, which is the #1 look. And then once I opened the palette, because this wasn't unboxing, it was majority shimmer shades, so I decided not to do it. I went with my own thing. So when I received it, this eyeshadow was broken. I really didn't care. You can just fix it with some alcohol. And you know, I know a lot of people, they get mad when they receive shadows and palettes and it's broken, but it's not that serious. You can just fix it. So now I have the Violet Voss palette, and I was so mad because I love all the shades, but when I received it, it was all shimmer shades, and I hate shimmer shades, so I'm just going to return this back to Sephora. Wanted to come back in and tell you guys I am so mad at myself that I did not get this palette any quicker. These shades are super pigmented and you barely touch them. They're so pigmented. They blend into each other so well. Like, you can see my expression in the video. I was so happy that this $68 that I spent for this palette was well spent. It took me a while to get this palette because I did not want to splurge. But once again, I'm so mad that I waited all this time. Guys, you need to go out to Sephora or go online to Sephora and get this palette. It is in store. And I'm just get the palette. I mean, try it out for yourself before you buy it in the store, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so I want to thank you for sticking by with me. I hope this was a short enough video. I don't know until I edit it, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love using the Sephora Pro Palette. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!